guys, today we are gonna build some blind box. Okay, I just get some shower where I will gonna put this in here. We need this. We have so many stuff. This, 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 and this for DIY. From DIY. This again. This paper and this, and that's it, guys. And we are gonna build now. I'm gonna put my blind box in here right now. From Philippines. Guys, I just put in here some from scoop order, fake order. Guys, just comment. Did you want to build blind box, fake order? Just say on the comment below, or comment below and like and subscribe. Guys, I just work out from TikTok and YouTube. I have only 1 like, so I'm far. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna get some paper. Just wait, okay? Okay, guys, I'm back. We need some 4 papers. Okay. Let's get some 1 paper. Let's put on the paper. Guys, wait. Okay. This is already that. guys, I just get some cotton. Alright, let's open this. McDonald's. More cotton. What's this? What's this? Many cotton. Clouds. Ouch. Okay. Let's put all this. Okay, let's build. Okay, guys. Oh, wait. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, first we need to get some. What's this? This one, pencil. Color. Whatever you want color, guys. This is my eraser. Nah, I'm gonna choose blue. Next, do this. Wait, guys, wait. I'm just finding some. What? I'm gonna. Yeah. Just fine. Guys, fold it like this. Wait. Guys, wait. Just fold it like this. Like a book. Like a book. Like that. Next, do this. Wait, guys. Okay, guys, do like this. Like that. That. And I'm gonna get, guys, some scissors. Just wait. Okay, guys, I just get some scissors and do like this. Just wait, guys. Yeah. Just please. Just wait. Okay. Wait. Okay, guys, I just cut it just like this, double size like this. Just cut this like this, and tada! Next, let's do. Let's, guys, when you don't have this, just glue and tape. Whatever you want, but just sticky. Okay, I'm gonna do. Oh, guys, just wait. Guys, that's empty, so let's get a tape or glue. Guys, I just get some tape, but not the clear. The looks like paper, not the clear like that. Put on your paper. Let's put in here. And down. And do the scissor. Okay, guys, like this. That. And just wait and do this. I'm gonna fix this up. I can. What did I say? I can. But ah, how? Guys, I realize. Oh, here we go. Mm. Okay, and put in the other side. Okay. Oh, like that. Let's wait again. And only 1 second. I just broke. Ah, what did I do in here? Get out. Ah, oh, it's okay. Yeah. Okay, in here. Nice. Okay, let's put and let's fix again. But so sticky. Let's never mind. Let's bro, this is thick on my hand. Chocaboca, it's nice, but no updates. But there's new updates, but no stuff update. Right, guys? The song is "You Betrayed Me." Just download the Chocaboca and see it. And see it. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Sticky, sticky. Go away. Go. Okay. Then, listen my hair. On. Fa. 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 Guys, I just broke But good thing we have a tape. A little bit tape. It smells bad. The tape, it smells bad. And we need a line. Maybe oh. Oh, that's good. And let's fix it. It's sticky. Sticky. Let's put this in here. And let's put into the tapes. Oh. Bro, guys, it's so hard. No, easy. I need blind box. So many. Sticky. No 6-7 allowed. Don't leave on the comments with 6-7. Don't dare you. I'm coming for you with 6-7. Okay, let's cut. G. Oh. Another day, another night. I don't want that. Just broke. Another day, another night. Again. Bruh. Like that. And there's hole in here. What should we put? This? Oh, what? Let's open. No. Yeah. Let's open. We have a Karami for trading. And guys, put whatever you want inside of this. Okay, I'm gonna put this. No. Where do we put? Okay, I'm gonna put this. Oh, they did not fit. But okay, I'm gonna use hand tricks inside. Guys, don't mind that because I have cap. How is this? How is this? No, here we go. Okay, I just put inside. And what should we put? This, I think. They did not fit. But in here. Oh, guys, we have the here. Okay, guys, let's test this. Oh. Oh. Guys, how? Ah. Oh, what's this? What's this, guys? Oh, color. Only that. And guys, comment below what is this. Chill. Guys, what's this? Oh. Oh, I know this. I know this, guys. We need Caesar. Ooh. Okay, and let's we're gonna put it here, I think. No. This is dangerous, guys. I am 8 years old. You can do this. Okay, guys. Go in here. Okay. And I'm gonna put in here. Some ball pen. Sticky notes. Fun tricks. Okay, guys, just wait. And then, guys, this is wow. Okay, I just get some food. One of them. And then background, it says name. And zone. No. Zone. Okay, zone. No, that's just this is it. Bye bye, guys. And please subscribe because I do this hard work. Okay. I do this for you all, guys, because I'm 8 years old. My birthday is October 7, and please download the Talk About Ka and Avatar World and what's the Game World. That is amazing. There's secrets and no monies. Okay, guys. Bye. Please, what? Really? Why I can talk? Please watch all my video and subscribe and comment and share and like this video. Bye.